What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. I'm just coming out to a, came out to it's a luxury vacation rental. Look at this beautiful place, guys. Wow. You got vacation rentals, and then you got vacation rentals right in the middle of a vineyard. Funny thing is I actually cleaned the carpets in this place about a year ago before they turned into a vacation rental. But they tore out all the carpet, put hard floors in there, and hardwood floors, and put down area rugs. So doing a walkthrough, and well, the customer, the vacation rental management place called me up and asked if I can come out and treat a spot for her, and so I walked in and said, "Oh, okay, I've been here before. No more carpets." So they threw down these area rugs. That's a polyester. I'm gonna treat that little area right there for them while I'm here. Just spot it. I'm not even gonna bring out my hoses or anything. So this is that Vasco's rayon type of. It's only 30%, but it is, right? And that stuff is pretty much really sensitive to any type of cleaning, getting it wet, and it's pretty much use them till they're done and throw them away and buy some new. But this isn't really that bad. It's just a dark little shadowy area right here, and it took me a while to figure out because she sent me a picture, and and I was looking around, and it was just at the corner, so I had to match up furniture and stuff, and so I matched up these little bullet deals on the bottom of the sofa, and it came to the conclusion it has to be that area right there. So I called the customer. She said, "Yeah, that's the location." So what I'm gonna do for this, I'm gonna treat some other little spots. So I'm actually gonna do like a bonnet, right? VLM, but I'm gonna do it by hand. I'm gonna spray that area, and then let it sit for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna extract by just drying it. I talked to the manufacturer of the product I'm using, and that's what he said to do. VLM's really good for doing these types of carpets. You don't want to get them wet, and they need to dry rapidly. So what I'm using today is a product that I've had on the van for this occasion. It's by Chemex, Ryan Rug Shampoo. Now these people sell different cleaning for actually rug spas, so very high-end rugs. So they have the chemistry down. So I use Woolzyme already, and I decided I want to try this out. Had this on my van, and so this is my first time. So what I did, it asked for 2 ounces per gallon. So I put about a ½ ounce in here, and I'm gonna fill the rest up with water. Spray it. Let dwell. I'm gonna do a little agitation. Let dwell a little bit, and then go ahead and I'm trying to find my brush here. Oh, I know where it is. And then extract. What I'm saying, I'm not extracting using my hoses. I'm extracting using a bonnet pad. This one's for your hand. You can use that for furniture and stuff. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water in this. Okay, so I got it all mixed up. I'm gonna spray this area. Okay, let that sit a tad bit. Yeah, so I'm pulling out the fan too. So when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there while I spot the other areas. This polyester stuff, which shouldn't be a problem at all. A little agitation. I think that should be enough. A little bit of color there, but not bad. All right, so that's about all you can do for these things. A smart way of doing it. Now I could have did hot water extraction with it, but I would have had to really monitor the water coming out, and yeah, I just have to speed dry the whole carpet, you know, the area really good. This way it's minimal moisture, easy spot removal. If you want to use this stuff doing VLM, the manufacturer says it's VLM's just fine. So actually he said if you're going to do this at customers' homes, VLM is the way you want to go. If you took one of these home, you can do hot water extraction, but you know, if anything kind of weird with it, you can correct it there, but yeah, the safe way to go is VLM. So that's for that stain. I'll let that dry. I'm gonna go around now and hit that other little, I know I grabbed the rag there. Hit that other little stain and walk around and see if I can see anything else and treat that for them, and they'll be really happy. So they manage a bunch of these luxury vacation rentals, and they say, you know, if they like me, then they'll keep using me. So that's always good, isn't it? It's always good. I'm gonna make sure I mop my way out of here too. See, because of the dirt. So this is just a polyester rug here. Here's some leftover Procyon. This is wool safe product also. So if it was wool, this would work also. Running really low. I think I ordered another bottle of this already. Waiting on a bunch of shipments. So with this Procyon, it's encapsulation. So anything left over is gonna turn to powder or a crystal, and when the cleaners vacuum, it's gonna pick it all up. So anything left over actually keeps cleaning. So it'll be cleaner after they vacuum. So that's the same with carpet detail. That's one I use a whole bunch. So that's gone. There's little areas right there. That's just little patterns. So this place is beautiful. It's like they needed a little work there on the grout. Well, she told me just to walk around. If I see any other spots, go ahead and hit it. It's a good thing about VLM, because basically that's what I'm doing right now is VLM without bringing out the bonnet and stuff, or the machines. You can actually just use your hand, you know, with a bonnet pad. Or just spot it with some really good spotting agents. Not definitely, you don't want to go on no high-end area rugs with store-bought stuff, or you know, stuff you can get locally. You need to get specialized, because a lot of these things cost a lot of money. So be really careful. Educate yourself. Normally I wouldn't even mess with that rug, but I have educated myself, and wow, this this one right here is yeah, I've actually cleaned a few of these things. They were like dog loved it, and they had odor problems, but this one's just fun. Wow. Yeah, if you guys ever come to Paso, and hey, you got a little extra money, a whole lot of extra money, this place would be awesome. Beautiful backyard. Actually, when I did the carpets here, the people were actually living here, the owners. So I guess they decided to just start renting it out as a vacation. So, all right. So I don't see anything else. So I'm gonna call this a wrap. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop my way out of here. Get that dust out of here from the dirt driveway. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. And we'll see you in the next video.